Okay, good afternoon, boys and girls, or morning, whenever you're watching this. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi.
Okay, today we're finding the area and perimeter of parallelograms. I can pronounce words. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. A rectangle is a special kind of parallelogram. Now, the idea of a parallelogram is that if you pushed it up against a wall, it looked just like a rectangle. Nathan, you're cute, but they didn't do the math. So, the formula for the area is very similar to a rectangle. It is the base times the height. Now, the height is an important thing here. You have to realize the height is at the 90-degree angle. So in this case, let's make some numbers here. 10 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches. So in these kind of problems today, you're going to find out what the area of the parallelogram is and what the perimeter of the parallelogram is. Now, not all three numbers are used for each part, so you need to be careful. So the area first is the base times the height.
I forgot so I can do it actually.
Okay, so in this case, the base is 10 inches. The height is 4 inches. Oh, Nathan wanted to say action. Okay, now, 10 inches
Didn't run off, just
times 4 inches. The area is 40 square inches. So keep in mind, you don't have to use the 8 you don't have to use the 8 for the area. That is part of the perimeter, not the area. Now the perimeter is each of the sides added together. So in this case, we have 10 down here, and 10 up here, and 8 over here. So we add 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8. That will give you 36 inches. Once again, remember perimeter is in inches, area is inches squared. Now, one key thing that you need to point out, and I'll do one more example like this, is the height doesn't actually have to be in the parallelogram. Let's give you an example of that. So let's do an example like this. Nope. So in this, sometimes they show the height on the outside. 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So in this case, the area is the length of the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 5. That gives you 40 square centimeters. The perimeter is 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, and that's how you find the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. Now sometimes they'll have letters here and ask you to plug in the numbers. That's not difficult either. You can do that. It's not a challenge. Sorry if my son and wife and younger son are all making sounds, but this scenario is rather strange. So thank you and see you tomorrow.